Greetings, fellow drone navigators and sky enthusiasts, and welcome to the Foundations of UAS Mapping course. My name is Lainey, your training specialist here at UAS Mapping XYZ. I am thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of drones and their remarkable applications in mapping. This course marks the beginning of a series of educational offerings by UAS Mapping XYZ, and we're excited to have you as our pioneer students in the first UAS 101 course. So, let's embark on this educational adventure together and lay the foundation for a future filled with endless possibilities with UAS mapping. We're going to take a closer look at some key topics in the world of unmanned aerial systems. First, we'll start with an overview of this exciting field, then we'll dive into the different types of UAVs, including fixed-wing, multi-rotor, and VTOL UAVs. We'll explore the fascinating world of UAS mapping, where drones and specialized technology come together to create accurate maps and data. Of course, it's important to understand the limitations and advantages of this technology, and we'll be discussing those as well as the software requirements. Additionally, for our friends in the USA, we'll talk about how you can become a certified commercial pilot. Finally, get ready to unveil a treasure trove of our exciting opportunities and exclusive offers that will elevate your next UAS mapping endeavor to new heights. So, let's get started and explore the sky together. Please be prepared to take notes during the presentation.